God damn. Okay. So I'm not Lou, but I have a package for him. You know me. I usually.
That was so mean. You were so rude.
It's like in his stride.
I know. I was going for it. All right, you have to come here now. I can't.
Okay.
You psyched me out.
Downstairs earlier, Will was like, I got this new thing. It's pretty cool. And he doesn't always say that. Specifically, you were like, that thing is cool.
It's a head turner.
I don't know what this is. So if this thing sucks and it's not exciting or interesting at all, it's Willie Doo's fault. Let's just keep that in mind. Also, remember, he's looking for cool stuff, the coolest things in the world.
Yeah, and if you have anything, hit me up on Twitter.
Yeah, tweet at Willie Doo, and who knows, maybe it'll show up on the show. He's always out there. He's lurking. He's a real lurker. Okay. Do you know what this is, Jack?
Yeah.
I know what this is. I think I saw this on Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Okay, maybe I don't know what this is.
What did you think it was?
To heat up your hands when you're playing video games.
That's exactly what.
Oh, okay. Because you get cold hands, which I didn't know.
And also, there's no circulation because it's so cold, right?
But why are your hands getting cold in the first place when you're playing video games?
Yeah.
Jack's hands are always freezing. He's always complaining about it.
He's shaking right now.
But is there something about this that just makes it hard for blood to get there or something? I was watching Overwatch League.
What in God's name is that from Snacks?
The dude on the break was like,
Yeah. Yeah.
so here's how this works. This is so crazy that a product like this actually exists. It is a heater for your fingertips. It really is like designed for such a singular purpose. You plug it in, you get her going. Now you do have a keyboard as well. We actually borrowed, Kirk has been using this keyboard. This is the wildest thing. We did a video on this. That's pretty wild. This is the craziest keyboard I've ever seen. Look at the top keys. Oh my goodness. Custom keycaps all on. It's crazy. This would sit like this, and then the heater would sit like that, and that is an enormous power brick, Willie Doo. It's as big as the thing itself. It could be some hacker in Siberia. Was it Iron Man 2? The villain is the guy with the electrical. He starts out in like some place in Russia or something, and he's like
Somewhere
a genius
remote,
with
yeah.
the hacking, but it looks freezing in there. I don't remember the name of the villain. They're so angry right now. They're gonna kill us. Whiplash. No.
Oh, I think it might be Whiplash.
He would love this. He could do even more hacking. It's for cold hackers.
So Whip Dynamo?
Endgame. Have you heard? Endgame.
What's Endgame? What's an Endgame?
Who are the Hemsworth, Johansson, Downey Jr., Chris Evans, Ruffalo. Anyhow, what are we doing here? We have a power switch, inline power switch. Can you see this, Jack? I'm worried this thing might suck enough energy to like knock out our little power brick there.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay.
If the video stops here, we know why. So let's give her a go. Oh my. Yes.
I'm gonna have this on my desk.
Yes. Heat is coming off that. Like, nice. Yo, if you have this on your desk, Jack is gonna be so jealous of you. Is it really gonna reach?
You gotta wait. You gotta wait.
Is it reaching down here?
It has to still heat up, right?
No, it is working.
It's not burning marshmallows.
No, it is working. Why were you saying that you think it's split?
Because you can split it.
Yeah, why though? Oh.
For the mouse, right?
This is heating up this hand, and this is heating up this hand.
Exactly.
When you're gaming.
Exactly, yeah.
They actually kind of designed it in such a fashion that it would fit in with your typical gamer aesthetic.
I think it looks better with the lights off.
Could we hit the lights? Ooh, oh, baby. Looks like the rear end of a Lamborghini, Willie Doo. It's not really blowing heat. It's just, you see those little coils warming up? You see that, Jack? So there's no noise really coming out of it. The actual exterior surfaces are not that hot.
Oh yeah.
It's just not that hot. The keyboard and the heater right there. And you're just gaming. There's heat coming off there. I think Jack would love it. What do you think, Will? Is it a go-to? Are you into it?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh, you're not gonna let him use it. You're gonna use it.
I'll get him another one.
You get him another one. Okay. Go ahead. Try it.
Like it's good. You know.
It's a subtle warmth. How much is it, Will? Let's get down to brass tacks. $179. It's a couple of dollars there.
But this will stay. This isn't something that you're gonna.
It's true.
You know,
it actually doesn't look like there's any
buy
moving
a
parts
better
or
one.
anything.
Yeah.
Well done. An interesting product. Willie Do, ladies and gentlemen. He did it again. He showed you something you didn't necessarily know existed. He does it for you. And it comes from a place of love and tenderness.